how to fix Windows script host error in Windows 11 or 10. So if you want to fix the Windows script host error in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is simply go with your search. Under search, you need to search for CMD or command prompt. Here you just need to simply go with run as administrator. Click on yes and it will give you this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter a command. So the command is sfc space / scan now and hit the enter. And it will start scanning your computer. It might take some time, so just wait for a few minutes. So let it run in the background. What you need to do is simply right click on the start and then go with run option. Under run, now you need to enter the registry editor, which is regedit, and then hit the enter and click on yes, and it will take you to the registry editor. Right here, you just can simply go with the first, which is hkey classes root, and then you just need to simply go with the search, which will be easy for you. So you just need to simply go with the search and enter /.acc. You just need to simply enter .vbs and hit the enter, and you will get the VBS right here. And here on the right side, you will have default option. Double click on it, and here you will have the value data. So if your value data is some other thing, then you just need to simply type and enter VBS file. And once you've entered that, go with OK. And once you've done that, now you just need to simply go back to the top. And now you need to choose hkey current user. Once you choose the hkey current user, now here you need to go with the search and enter /software, and again /Microsoft, again /Windows script. Simply choose the Windows script. Once you've chosen, now it will take you to this kind of Windows script, right? So under that, what you need to do, settings option. Under settings, now you need to go with the default, double click on it, and here you will have the value data. So if you don't have any value data, then simply enter 1 and go with OK. And in Windows 10, you might have Windows script host option. So go with settings, double click on it, enter the value data. And if you don't have any default right here, then what you need to do is simply right click on it, go with new, and then go with dword 32-bit value, and you need to enter default and double click on it and enter the value data as 1. But for me, I already have the default, so I'll be just deleting it. And once you've done that, you need to go back, and here your verification has also been completed, right? So just remove that. And now you need to go with a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you need to enter or search for Malwarebytes. Once you search, you will get www.malwarebytes.com. Click on that, and you can simply go with the first option, which is free download. Once you've downloaded, it will scan the whole computer, and it will see if there is any infection or any like scripts behind that, and it will remove all of that. So once you've done all of these, you just need to simply restart your computer. As you've scanned your computer, you just need to simply go and restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Windows script host error in Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.